Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to this honorable channel and to another crypto related episode. So I remember I made a video the last time on this very project you are seeing here called Docs, right? Which is rewarding users for just having Telegram account. Guys, this is the first of its kind. You see, lots of you miners, lots of we the airdrop hunters are always focused on the hamster combat, the tap swap, the tapping guys. All right, so I felt the need for diversification, so I saw this project and it was the only project with that concept, and after that even lots of similar projects are emerging. This really emphasizes that this particular trend has really come to stay, guys, and if you are not on this project, trust me, you are missing a very valuable opportunity in this crypto space. So check the description section now and then make sure you join. All you have to do is to connect your Telegram account. It will be calculated for you and boom, that's it, guys. So guys, I'm really glad and sure to tell you guys that this project is gonna be bigger than hamster combats. This project you see here is also bigger than Notcoin, for Christ's sake. Or I hope you know Notcoin is the project that paid most people massive money, plenty money like that, for just tapping on their phone. Docs is here to pay you for just having a Telegram account, and the older your Telegram account is, the much higher rewards you will get, guys. So why am I saying that this project is going to be stronger than Notcoin? Guys, let's dive in as I break things down to you. I just opened my Google, my Chrome browser, and I searched who owns Docs project, the project on Telegram, and see something here, guys. See something for yourself. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything, okay? It says, and this post was made by Binance on 9th July 2024. It says Docs airdrop by Pavel Durov, founder of Ton, for all. It's for all Telegram users. So if you don't know who Pavel Durov is, I'll show you, guys. I will really show you. Like, one of the projects that is really going to print. This project isn't going to fail, okay? Everyone is busy tapping. Docs is telling you to just connect your Telegram account, and based on how old your account is, it will then pay you based on that, guys. This is really going to be huge. So let's search for who Pavel Durov is. Okay, so let me search for this guy on Chrome, and can you see that, guys? Let me show you something here. So this Pavel Durov guy is 39 years old, born on October 1984. His net worth, currently his net worth is $15.5 billion as of this 2024, and this information is coming from Forbes, as you can see. So Pavel Durov is a Russian-born Emirati entrepreneur who is known for founding the social networking site VK and the app Telegram Messenger. All right, so the Pavel Durov building Docs project is the owner of Telegram, and do you think this is going to fail, guys? Never. It's never going to fail. So make sure you hop on now. Let me tell you this: before the emergence of Notcoin, all the mining projects that we knew were the ones we opened for, let's say, 24 hours interval and then receive the coins, like Pi Network, like Gamic, lots of them, right? So all of a sudden Notcoin came, and all we were supposed to do was to tap on our Telegram accounts, and when they wanted to launch, they passed through Telegram. And trust me, Notcoin was a successful project, being listed by over 15 verified exchanges, trusted exchanges, right? Notcoin was the first of its kind, trust me, for us to be tapping on our Telegram accounts, and then they paid us, right? So right after Notcoin, we had TapSwap, we had Bloom, we have Memfi, lots of them, guys, lots of them. So that was the first trend, and then all of a sudden, boom, guys, Docs also came out, and all they did was to check how old our Telegram accounts are and then pay us based on this. So right after Docs, we also had similar projects like Cats, Dax, Goat, lots of them. You can make mention of them. So Notcoin was first of its kind and it was successful, and Docs is also first of its kind. paying people for just having Telegram account. Docs is the first project that brought such ideas, all right, and lots are now riding on it, meaning this trend isn't going to break soon or fail. So guys, this is my second point. The first one is Docs being owned by Pavel Durov, the CEO, the founder of Telegram Messenger, through which Notcoin passed through to be successful, and also being the first of its kind. Guys, let me show you something. Let me show you my third proof. Let's go to X or Twitter and I'll show you something. Okay guys, so this is Notcoin, the first of its kind for people to tap on their Telegram Messenger and pay them, right? This project was very successful. So this is their X account, and that is where I am now. Can you see that? Can you really see that? They have 1.7 million followers on Twitter, and they are following only one person, all right, or a measurable collection of lost dogs NFTs on ton, all right. So I am not there. So let's see if Notcoin believe in dogs. Let me show you something, guys. So this is their page, and if I'm to go to the search bar, right, for this search we are going to see if Notcoin has even mentioned some of the popular projects, right, like Hamster Combat. Let's search for Hamster Combat and see something. You can see there is no results here. Now let's search for Bloom, right? These are some of the most trending projects, right? You can see no results. Okay, now let's go to Pixelverse and see if Notcoin has even mentioned Pixelverse before, right? That one too, no results. Okay, now at this point, guys, let's see if Notcoin has ever mentioned dogs before. Let's search in their post and see something. Okay, fam, so as I searched for dogs in the post of Notcoin, can you see that, guys? See something? 1 2 3 4 5. So Notcoin has really tweeted about dogs 5 good times. The first, they said August is dogs season, all right. This one too said, and what's wrong with dogs? They said save the dogs, dogs will woof, right? Can you see that? Dogs will woof, which literally means dogs will cook. Okay, some dogs just don't need it, meaning some players, some airdrop miners are not seeing the potential of this very project. So you can clearly see that, guys, Notcoin, which brought about all this Telegram airdrop brouhaha, has never tweeted about any other project aside dogs and also save dogs. They are even now following lost dogs, a new project I'll talk about in the next video. All right, guys, can you clearly see that? So this is actually my third point, guys. Now let me show you something. Let me show you why I think dogs is going to pay us very huge, and that is going to be my fourth point. Okay, all right, guys, so I just searched for the pre-market price of dogs. I don't know if you guys are aware that dogs is currently on pre-market, and trust me, dogs is going to be listed in this month of July, and I'll prove that to you guys. So make sure you don't skip any part of this very video. So this post was made by Binance, and the current pre-market price of dogs is 0.04. all right, so let me open my calculator and we will do some calculation. I currently have around 28,000, and the pre-market price of dogs is around somewhere 0.04, right? So if let's say it's been listed and the price comes to 0.04, just like we are seeing, or even more, let's just use 0.04 multiplied by my 28k is going to give me $112. Remember, some are even having millions of these coins. So if you think this money is small, just convert it into your local currency and you clearly see that this project is here to cook, guys. Now let's go to X, let's go to Twitter. These guys dropped something, an update, and I think everyone needs to see this, right? So let's come to X and I'll search for dogs. I want their, I think the handle is the real dogs or so. Let me search for them, guys. Let's search for their official handle. Okay, so these guys dropped something, an update giving us hints, yet lots of people don't know about this, and I want to reveal it to you guys. So guys, if you are not taking this particular project serious, trust me, you really have to. Okay, you really have to, guys. Network was actually disturbing, so I had to pause the video and then try to find the image for you. So these guys posted this image, and trust me, this image is giving us hints on what is actually going to happen. First, what do you see here? If you should compare the logo of the dogs project and this head, the head of this guy, I don't know if it's a toy or anything of that sort, you can see it's actually the dogs project. Now let me zoom in and show you something. What do you see here, guys? What do you think is this? This is the Ton blockchain logo, right? Meaning these guys are giving us hints that docs is going to be listed on Ton, right? So guys, you just have to connect your Ton Keeper wallet if you have not done so. Okay, now let's go to this section. Let's go to this section and I'll zoom in. Okay, what can you see here, guys? I want to show you something here. What can you see here? Can you see a calendar there? And on the calendar, these guys have circled 14th, meaning literally docs is gonna be listed on 14th of this very month. You can also see one of their symbols there. Okay, so guys, this is a hint that docs is going to be listed or launched on Ton blockchain, right? And not only that, is going to be listed on 14th of this very month. So what do you have to do right now? Use the link in the description section if you are not already on this project. Okay, make sure you join it now and calculate how much you got. Please make sure to drop in the comment section how many docs tokens you were allocated. Okay, drop it in the comment section. And not only that, after you are done, let me show you something. Please guys, after you are done joining, do all, when you come to the home page, right, do all to come to connect wallet, right? Come here and click on it. Okay, connect your wallet and make sure you connect your Ton Keeper wallet or any other Ton wallet at all, and you are also going to receive 1,000 dogs for doing that. You can also click on friends, invite some of your friends, some family members that might be interested in making money for just having Telegram accounts, for them to also join, and it also gives you some reward. As you can see, those that have joined through my referral links, some are giving me 154, 42 dogs, 208. It goes on and on and on, guys. So make sure you don't fade on this very project. So these are a recap of the proofs I brought to you guys. First, dogs is the first of its kind, right? Dogs is the first of its kind. Second, it is owned by Pavel Durov, the CEO of Telegram. Telegram that Notcoin used to popularize their project and becoming successful. Notcoin also believes in docs project, guys, and it's a huge breakthrough that's going to happen. So why don't you join this project now? Please, why don't you subscribe to my channel if you like content like this in the crypto space? Okay, so make sure you don't fade. Do all to do this now. Until next time, guys, be safe.